Hi, I'm Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2018 Honda Ridgeline RTL-E. Let's take a look inside. You'll notice that you'll have memory settings for the seat as well as power settings for the seat. You're going to have full controls on your steering wheel to be able to hands-free answer your phone. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes your adaptive cruise control and your lane keeping assist. You're going to have a nice big screen with your navigation, phone integration. You're also going to have smartphone connections for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You'll be able to have dual climate control, heated seats, nice deep storage area with additional power port for USB and for a 12 volt. You have those there as well. And then the back of this truck, you'll have the convenient pull handles to be able to lift your seats up for whenever you need additional storage space in the vehicle. You'll also have an additional USB port right here, as well as your AC vents for the back. Then the big thing about the Honda Ridgeline is going to be the unique design of the tailgate. Not only will you have the traditional, but you're going to have the signature for the Ridgeline. Your backup camera is going to be on here. And then the other great thing about the Ridgeline is going to be this storage compartment here, where you'll have your spare tire and additional storage space. This is the 2018 Honda Ridgeline RTL-E.